How to see notification history on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see your notification history on your iPhone. So it's super easy, so let's dive right in. First thing first, grab your iPhone and let's get started. The first step is to open your settings app. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in the settings app, you need to scroll down and find the notification option. Simply tap on that to open it up. Here is where the magic happens. You will see all the list of your apps. To view your notification history, you need to make sure that notifications are enabled for each app you want to track. Let's take the example of calendar app as an example and make sure that allow notification is toggled on. If it's off, just switch it on. This is crucial because if notifications are disabled, they won't show up in your history. Repeat the process for any other app you want to receive the notifications from. And it's that simple. That's it. By following these easy steps, you can now see your notification history on your iPhone. Remember, it's all about enabling notifications for the apps you want to track. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy video solutions. I'll see you in the next video.